Hi, I'm your friends, and this is Krita. And let's see today how the transform tool works. So we have PNG file here, and I would like to change this picture, this cow. I will transform the layer. I can transform selection, and I can transform the layer. I will be transforming the layer. So I'm clicking left click on this tool, and now I see the rectangle appeared and there are dots, and you can by moving these dots to do the transformations. So I did left click on the corner dots, and you can do the free transform this way. And if you want to keep the proportion set, don't forget to click on shift. You can do stretching like that, like this. If you pull the points which are on the middle of the sides of the rectangle, you can do, if you click a little bit outside the corner dots, you can do rotation. Actually, if you do left click of your mouse over your layer, you will see all the actions of transform tool. So it's free transform, perspective, warp, and so on and so on. Mirrors, rotations, and don't forget at the very end to click on apply, or you can just do enter. That's it. Thank you.